a warrior spirit. The United States Army is proud to honor this history and to place the expectations of this warrior spirit on our aviators who will operate the MV-75 Cheyenne. This is truly a once-in-a-generation opportunity for the United States Army.
And we could not be more honored that you allowed us to have that name for this aircraft. Our commitment is to innovation. Our commitment is to improving on the process. And our commitment is making sure that every single man and woman that gets in this aircraft gets to go fight an unfair fight and come back home to their families.
I stand before you with a sense of deep pride and gratitude, humbled by the honor of having our tribe's historical names bestowed upon the United States Army's MV-75 Cheyenne II aircraft.
This helicopter behind us now, for the Cheyenne people, that means a lot. It means pride, it means fearlessness, excitement, inspirational, and adaptability. Those are all the things that make warriors great and good. Their ability to be resilient, just like this helicopter.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey.
This is the Cheyenne 2.